Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve 5 power a plus 5 power a plus 5 power a equals 60 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I'll take 5 power a plus 5 power a plus 5 power a equals 60 and take 5 power a as common, so what is left? 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 60. So 5 power a times 3 equals 60. 5 power a equals 60 by 3. So 5 power a equal 20. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log 5 power a equal log 20. I'm going to use the log identity, that is log a power b is equals to b log a. So it's a log 5 equal log 20. So a log 5 equal log 20. I can write it as log 5 times 4. So again I'm going to use the identity, that is log a times b. We can write it as log a plus log b. So a log 5 equal log 5 plus log 4. A equal log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. A equal log 5 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. So this will cancel out. A equal 1 plus log 4 by log 5. Log 4 I can write it as log 2 square by log 5. A equal 1 plus 2 log 2 by log 5. Or we can say that a is equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.